Hey, this is Ian with I'm Home Inspections, doing inspections that matter for people who care. So today we're in a house here in West Hills, California. We're going to talk about the importance of installing a furnace correctly. So we have this furnace. The furnace is only from 2011, so it's not terribly old. However, it's installed very incorrectly. Starting with now, the flue pipe up there, you may notice, is that white material is what we call transite pipe. It's material that probably contains asbestos. It was known to contain asbestos back in the day. The issue, though, is not that it contains asbestos. The issue is that those old pipes are only rated for older furnaces, and newer, modern furnaces are too high efficiency, and they're not rated for those pipes. And what happens is condensation builds up in the pipes, which turns into water. And that water leaks down into the furnace, and then what happens is you get inside the furnace, the inside of the furnace rusts out. So now we have a heater that's not terribly old, and it's actually rusted on the inside. Likely it's probably going to need to be changed out. The other issue is the gas line. The yellow tube is the gas line. You're not supposed to have flexible material going through the opening of the furnace itself. That's supposed to be solid pipe, so in the event of an earthquake, if the side of the furnace starts rubbing on the pipe, it doesn't rub through the pipe. So that implies, all of this implies this furnace was not installed by a licensed professional HVAC contractor, and because it wasn't installed correctly, it's got a lot of issues and likely is going to need to be replaced very soon, if not right away, even though it's not terribly old. So often the point with equipment is not how old it is, but how well it was installed. Anyway, this is Ian with I Am Home Inspections, doing inspections that matter for people who care.